has issued a special marine warning for Harbor Beach to Port Sanilac, Michigan, Lake Huron from Harbor Beach to Port Sanilac 5 miles offshore to US Canadian border, Lake Huron from Port Austin to Harbor Beach 5 miles offshore to the US Canadian border, Lake Huron from Port Sanilac to Port Huron 5 miles offshore to US Canadian border, Port Austin to Harbor Beach, Michigan, Port Sanilac to Port Huron, Michigan, until 11 p.m. At 9:34 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Kaysville to 15 nautical miles southwest of Harbor Beach to 30 nautical miles west of New Baltimore, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Harbor Beach and Port Austin around 9:50 p.m. Port Hope and White Rock around 9:55 p.m. Rickmanville around 10 p.m. Port Sanilac around 10:10 p.m. Lexington around 10:15 p.m. Lakeport around 10:25 p.m. Port Huron around 10:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by strong thunderstorms include White Rock and Rickmanville. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs.